Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account right here on BlackBull Markets. So first of all, we're going right here to email and then we select right here the email that we are using the most of the time. And then we click right here on join now. Then he will send us right here to this page. And then what we're going to do is we fill in all the information right here correctly. So we will do this real quick. Then they send a verification code to your email. So what we're going to do is go to your email, open your email, and then fill in right here the verification code right here in this place. And then do verify. And then right now we are in BlackBull Markets. So now we are having our account and now the verification will start right here. But this is exactly how you can create your account on BlackBull. So right now I'm recording how to verify your account, but this is the way how you can create your account. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.